Hello everyone. So I'm here in Saraswati Puja in Zalestarian Center, Rayners Lane in Harrow. So a beautiful event is taking place today. You can see a lot of people here arrived to enjoy the event. So an event is taking place and a program is being started here now. So you can see the Saraswati idol there and some program is going to take place now. So we have a beautiful lady singing. And many people are here to enjoy the event together. So everyone is here to enjoy Saraswati Puja all together. As you can see, many programs are also taking place and everyone here is to enjoy the event. So here I am in Zalestarian Center where the event is taking place, and it is organized by Heritage Bengal Global. You can see the sign here. Beautiful event in a cozy place, and this is the center. This is the entrance, and the whole event is taking place inside the next room. In this place is only food and drinks available. So various types of foods are available here, along with tea and coffee with cold drinks.
We decided to do the ritual for Hathekuri for our little daughter. For them who don't know about Hathekuri, it's a ritual which is usually performed during Saraswati Puja. It is the ceremony which is performed to introduce education to young children. This is considered a major milestone for kids and also known as the first writing ceremony. Also, for them who don't know about Saraswati Puja, this is the ceremony to worship Goddess Saraswati, who is the goddess of education for us. Our little daughter, who is 2.5 years old, so we thought to perform the ritual of Hathekuri for her. I already got to know the timing of this ritual in advance. It started immediately after the event of Anjali. There are few more kids as well who will do the same ritual. Their parents are there waiting with them for their turn. The arrangement was really good. The priest helped to do the ritual very nicely. With the help of our friend, we got a slate and chalks, which is a prerequisite for this ritual. This kind of slate is only available in Indian markets. We did not find this in Woking where we stay. Fortunately, our little one did perform the ritual peacefully. Normally, she is very naughty and will always run around. But this time, she helped to complete this ritual peacefully. We already bought a packet of sweets from Harrow in the morning. We devoted that to the goddess. We were very happy with the ritual being performed so nicely.
আপনারা ফটো তুলেছেন হয়ে গেছে ওকে মার কাছে প্রার্থনা করো
After the event of Hathekori, it's now time to enjoy food. There were few food stalls where varieties of Bengali and Indian food were available. Chicken chop, fish cutlet, fish fry, fish finger, kochuri aloo dum, biryani, puchkas, chow mein, sweet dishes, Bengali special curd also known as doi. Tea and coffee were served hot and we tried them as well. We tried few dishes in small portions. The tea was really hot and it was really nice. Joydeep and his friend liked that so much that they ordered again. It's worthy to share that there were provision to pre-order these food items in advance. Though the prices of these food were not cheap, however, it's hard to find a place where we can get to all these Bengali delicacies in a single place.
ভিডিও না দাঁড়াও একটা ছবিও তুলি
There were few cultural programs performed on the stage which I will share in a bit. And then there was Bhog Prasad served. It was so tasty. We really enjoyed having it. We did not have to pay for this separately. So honestly, we did not expect such quality. Khichuri, aloo dum, payesh, sweet dish, all were really delicious and the amount was good as well. We were actually full. You can see how we are enjoying having Bhog Prasad sitting together and having fun. I have tried to share some moments for the cultural programs. I hope you will definitely appreciate the fact that it was a delight to watch cultural programs performed on foreign soil far from India. We enjoyed a lot. Thank you so much for watching the whole vlog. Hope you have enjoyed it.
I will be back soon with some more exciting experience. Please keep watching this space. You can click on the thumbnails visible on the screen to watch my previous experiences. Please don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Till then, please stay fit and healthy. We'll meet soon again. Bye.